Hello everyone, welcome back to the Chart Tips, and in this video we are going to talk about how to fix game card error which is happening on the Nintendo Switch when you're trying to play the game and how we can fix this up. So we have two steps that you have to try out that's going to fix the issue. So that is quite simple as easily is. So what you have to do is you just have to press and hold this particular button over here. As you can see, you have to just press and hold this for a little bit of time like this. Now when you press and hold this hardly for a little bit of second, you'll be getting an option like this. Now we have to go to the power option, click A. Now we have options to restart it. Just try with a restart and check whether it's going to fix the issue or not. This is the first step which you have to try out. After doing the restart, if it's not working, we have to move to the next one. That is all about we have to turn this off. So for turning this off, you just have to do the same. You have to press and hold over here. Press and hold this button over here at the top. Now from here, go to power option, press A and turn off your Nintendo Switch. Once it successfully turn it off, you have to turn this off. Once it successfully turn it off, you have to just eject the card over from here at the top. We have options to eject the card. So you have to eject the card from here. Once the card is taken out, you have to restart the console once again. You have to turn this on. After turning this on, insert the card over here on the card slot over here, then try to play the game, and most probably the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. And these are the possible workarounds that you have to try out, and we hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.